Hello everyone, and today I have a bad voice, so please do excuse me. I've been feeling ill the past few days, so yeah, and listen to my voice. Today I'll be going on FIFA 15 and opening a few packs. So what we'll be doing is going to be opening all these 15 packs until we go down to 200k, and then we'll be opening 2 jumbo rare player packs. So yeah, let's just get into these. And I did open a few packs before, and this is who I got. Yeah, it is pretty cool. So yeah, team of the season's out, and hopefully we will get a few 15k packs, a few of these team of the seasons, and not very good. Not a very good start. Next pack. And an on rare. What on earth? These packs are so bad. If it carries on, I'll just open 4 of the jumbo packs. Oh dear. Alright, if we don't get anyone over 81 rated, then we're not doing these packs. We'll just go straight on to the other packs. No, sorry. These packs are so bad that I don't even want to open them. So, let's try and open some of these. Oh, come on. I thought for a second there that was the team of the season. Come on. I'm sorry again if you can hardly hear me. It's just that my voice is a bit off today. And it is morning as well, so it's even worse. And that is an alright silver, to be fair. Only 75 pace. Alright, so two more of these after this one. And if we don't get anyone, we'll open 2 bronze packs and then we'll go on to the 100k. So number 1. That is a brilliant silver. Let's just check his market price. Can we not? Oh, okay. And the last one. Hopefully we actually get someone. We get, nope, just another amazing silver. But no, he only has 84 pace. So, I like the ones with pace. Anyway, next one is... Okay, no. No. Next one. No one. The bronze packs aren't as good, so... Then we'll open 4 of the... 4 of the premium jumbos. So let's just get going on our first jumbo rare player pack. 100k pack, and we get this Fabregas. Not very good. Next one. Turan. Oh my goodness, we got 3 Team of the Years in 3 packs in a row, so I don't understand. Yes, the Team of the Year. Finally, Team of the Year. It might not be a very expensive or good one, but let's just check if we don't have anybody else. No, De Bruyne. Alright. So let's place him, let's quick auction him really quickly. And quick sell the rest. And let's open our last 100k pack. And we get Diego Costa. Not bad. I'll send him to my club. Put him in my team. Where is he? There he is. Storing club. Quick sell rest. And now we have enough to open a few more 15k packs. And then that'll be it for this video. We've got one team this season so far. We probably won't get another one, but at least we've got one in a video. So yeah, guys, 78 rated. These packs are supposed to be good 15k ones. That's a bit better. Oh, there we go. Storing club. Anybody else? Nope. Alright then. That was a better 15k pack, guys. And we don't have enough coins. So if we go quickly to my club, quick. And we'll quick sell a player. So we get to open our last pack. No, we just quick sell a random player. Hurry up. There we go. There we go. We'll open our last pack of the day. And who do we get? And we get Strootman. Strootman, that's such a bad pack. But oh well. We have 3 points. Let's quickly open the brand bronze pack. Petrov. And quickly another one. And that should be it for today. Jovanovic, sorry. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I will see all of you guys later. So yeah, bye, guys.